Welcome aboard the Norwegian Dawn. First up, Embarkation. From that first ship view all the way to our first snack on board. If you've ever wondered what it's really like getting on the ship, this one's for you. Before the fun begins, there's not so glamorous part, security and check-in. It actually went pretty smoothly for us, especially considering there was a significant delay earlier for a Coast Guard inspection. We were some of the first guests on board, so the ship looks extra empty in these early clips. As we make our way through the check in, you can really feel the mix of excitement and relief. Documents done, photos taken, and now it's almost time to walk on board. As you walk to the gangplank, you get all these peekaboo views of the ship every time you turn a corner. This is the moment where sea days, sunsets on the balcony, and late night snacks you absolutely don't need, but will definitely have, become reality. As we step closer, take a look at how quiet everything is because of that inspection delay. Most guests haven't boarded yet, so we practically have these views to ourselves. It's like having a private tour of the ship before everyone else arrives. Once we're on board, the very first challenge, figuring out where to go next. There weren't many crew members around for help right away, so we did what every cruise family does at least once: hop in an elevator and hope for the best. We headed to muster check-in. It's not the most exciting part of the cruise, but it's super important, and it's usually pretty quick and easy, mostly done by video before you board. We headed to our cabins next, but they weren't quite ready yet. For this sailing, we went with two rooms instead of trying to squeeze all five of us into one. The ladies have the balcony cabin, and the gentlemen have the inside cabin nearby. For a family of five whose kids aren't so little anymore, one cabin can be a pretty tight squeeze. You can check out the full tours in the comments. While we waited for our cabins, we headed down to the main areas of the ship. We passed one of the bars on the main deck, which had a piano for live music. Right nearby, we found the shore excursion desk where you can book your port days if you haven't already, or make changes if you need to. Across the way, you'll find the guest service desk if you have any questions about your account, cards that don't work, or anything you need a little extra help with. This is where you go. If you're enjoying coming along with us so far, this is a great time to tap that like button, subscribe for more family and multi-gen cruise adventures, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you do when you get on the ship? Head to your cabin, grab a drink, or go straight for the food? Now, we're heading down the hall to take care of something really important to our family: dining reservations and food allergies. We stopped by the team handling specialty dining and spoke with the staff to make sure everyone's allergies and dietary needs were clearly noted. If you or someone in your family has food allergies, this step is worth the extra time on embarkation day. Once that's all set, it's so much easier to relax and actually enjoy your meals. After taking care of the usual embarkation business, it was finally time for some fun and a snack. Because the Coast Guard inspection delayed boarding, the main dining room had already closed by the time we finished up, so we headed to the buffet instead. That first meal on board isn't always fancy, but is the perfect way for everyone to settle in and start easing into vacation mode. And that wraps up our Embarkation Day walkthrough of the Norwegian Dawn. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. If you'd like a closer look at both our balcony and inside cabins, check out the links in the comments. If you can picture yourself walking these decks or are planning your own getaway, give the video a like, subscribe to Jennifer's Travel Adventures for more wish you were here moments, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the balcony, the inside cabin, or both like our family did?
So be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a secret